Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you our new collection of three-dimensional embossing folders. Our 3D embossing folders have a little bit of a different look to them, and we have 4 brand new designs for you guys this season. First up is this cool all-over pineapple-like pattern that we've used to create this pineapple right here. We also have this beautiful all-over lovely flower collection. And we have this all-over cobblestone pattern that adds such a beautiful sense of natural touchability to it. It's a really beautiful all-over pattern and takes metallic really, really well. And finally, my personal favorite are all-over tropical leaf pattern. Our 3D embossing folders are so innovative and advanced, we can actually emboss and deboss to unachievable levels, really, all in the same pass. So I would like to show you guys a couple tips and techniques for using the folders. Our 3D embossing folders are orange, and that is so you guys can tell the difference between our 2D embossing folders and our 3D embossing folders. The best way to get a strong effect when you're using a piece of cardstock in a 3D embossing folder is to actually spritz it with a little bit of water first, just along the top and the bottom. That's going to loosen up the fibers in your paper. Like I mentioned, our embossing and debossing levels are so deep and intricate. If you loosen up your paper fibers before you roll it through your machine, that's actually going to help push your embossing a little bit further and give you a little bit more dimension. One of the tricks for using a 3D embossing folder is you only use one cutting pad. So you don't have to buy anything new, but just remember you're going to leave one cutting pad aside and just use one cutting pad to roll through your big shot. And I am still using my tab for embossing. I like to roll my 3D embossing folders through both ways, just to make sure you're getting the full scope of the 3D dimension involved in it. And you can see when I take it out, what a beautiful 3-dimensional design that we have here. Actually impactful on both sides. So that is how you would use 3D embossing with cardstock. One of the most beautiful ways to use a 3D embossing folder is with metallic paper or some kind of shimmer paper. So at Sizzix, we have 2 surfaces that have that technique. We have our adhesive back foil and our Bride-Ons paper. So I'd just like to show you how beautiful 3D embossing looks when you have a little bit of metallic involved in the mix. So I'm going to place my piece of paper in my folder again. I'm going to finish my sandwich with just one cutting pad. And I'm going to roll through first one way and then back the other way. Sorry, I crumpled my paper there, but you don't really care at all when you open up your folder to reveal that beautiful design. All you would need to do is trim down to size, and what a beautiful way to create a unique background for any kind of beautiful card. Thanks for watching! If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!